Hey y'all, and welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Tara. If you are new here, thank you so much for being here today. If you have not hit that subscribe button, go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe button if you enjoy fashion and lifestyle content. Or if you're a little bit skeptical, you want to feel out my vibe, stay to the end of the video and then make your decision then. Today's video is all about my top 3 outfit formulas for the spring. I live by a good outfit formula. It is really the key for me getting dressed. It makes getting dressed so much easier. I want to share with you my top 3, especially as a curvy girl. If you're interested in seeing what my outfit formulas are, stay tuned. All right, y'all, so let's start off with what is an outfit formula. So you may hear outfit formula, outfit recipe, go-to outfit. These can all be used interchangeably. An outfit formula is how you put different items together to create an outfit, and it kind of works every time. Every time you wear these articles of clothing together, they work no matter what color, no matter what shape, no matter what style. They just fit well together and they work. That's what an outfit formula is. So when you go in your closet to pull clothing, these are the items that you usually put together. Let's jump into my top 3. So my first one is small top, big bottom. Let me explain what that means. Small top meaning a crop top, a bralette, a baby tee, big bottom, baggy pants, baggy cargos, loose fitting trousers, loose fitting shorts, maxi skirts, small top, big bottom. That's the first outfit formula, y'all. This formula works for me every time. If you've seen any lookbooks on my channel, you know that I typically will pair a crop top with a baggy pair of jeans, a wide leg pair of pants with a tighter fitting top. It just works for my body type and it looks good no matter how many different ways I spin it. So some outfits that come to mind would be a crop top and a baggy pair of jeans or cargos. Now for me, I have to go super crop or like right above the belly button. I can't go midriff because I have a short torso. And so it has to be super duper cropped or full length. For me, when it's super cropped, I love to do a baggier pant. Baggy cargos. Cargos are still trending everywhere. They look good on mostly every body type. I haven't seen a body type where cargos do not look good on them. Me being a curvy girl, I prefer my cargos to be a little bit loose, and I usually have to buy them a little bit loose because cargos are not forgiving fabric normally. They don't have stretch, so I need them to fit over my hips and thighs, but I still need them to fit a little bit more in the waist. So I'll either get them tailored to fit better in the waist and buy them super oversized, or sometimes I look up and just find them where they fit perfectly. Very rare. But a crop top and a baggy pair of jeans or cargos or trousers, it's gonna do it every time for me. It looks very clean and elevated. You can wear it with heels or flats. It can go casual or dressy. It's a good one. Now, I can't wear this to work. These kind of outfits are great for like happy hour, day parties, date nights. It's a perfect everyday look. You can't go wrong with a crop top and a pair of baggy jeans or cargos. Now, this is my go-to work outfit. A fitted tank top and a loose pair of trousers. Trousers obviously are very trendy right now. You can find them anywhere. If all else fails, you can always find them in a thrift store, child. Go to your local thrift store, you'll always find a pair of trousers. Go to your men's section, you'll find a pair of tailored trousers that will fall very well on you. I guarantee you, go to that men's section. But a fitted tank, I love high neck tanks. They are just so classy. And pairing that with a pair of trousers, I love the trousers that have the drawstring. I also love the fold over trousers. It's a good play on street style. It's a good play on street cool chic style. And so I love those two together. Pair this with chunky sandals or a pair of chunky sneakers, it's instantly giving cool girl. It is spring, but for a lot of us, it's chilly still. And so you can throw a cardigan on all over it. You can throw a button-down shirt over your shoulders. You can put on a leather jacket and some heels if you want to. This is a very versatile outfit formula that you can literally pack one tank top, one pair of pants, and have an outfit for a week. Maybe I need to do that for my next ways to wear it, because I guarantee you one shirt and one pair of trousers, you can get dressed for a week for any event, work, dinner, happy hour, day brunch. Like, let me add that to the list Let me add that to the content calendar, okay? Okay, the next one, baby tee, graphic tee, and a maxi skirt. I am loving satin maxi skirts right now. A satin maxi skirt that comes all the way to the floor with a fitted baby tee. Too good. You can wear this with chunky sneakers, a pair of dad sandals. You want to take it to nighttime, put on a point toe heel up under that skirt. Y'all, throw on a bomber jacket with it or a crop denim jacket. Are you hearing me right now? The last one in this category is a bralette and baggy shorts. So for me, I am a little bit top heavy. I'm a C cup. So not the biggest girls in the world, but I'm a little bit top heavy and they hang, okay? Do your tits hang low? Yes, they do, okay? Let's just be for real. So I never really wear a bralette without something over it. But bralette and a loose pair of shorts, that's your base, okay? Listen, this is not just for the beach. This is for weekend. You put on an oversized button down over it or throw a sweatshirt over your shoulders. Don't even worry about it, okay? It's a good little relaxed weekend look. Now it can go vacation, obviously. You got on your swimsuit top and some loose shorts. It's vacation core, but you can also do this on an everyday basis. A cute little bralette or triangle bra. I like ones that come down a little lower under the bust. You can always find a matching set as well when it comes to the loose fitting pair of shorts. So you can put the bralette on under the matching set top. Outfit formula, small top, big bottom. Keep that in mind. Okay, outfit formula number 2 is the exact opposite. Big top, small bottom. I'm all about proportions. So I do not like being fully naked or fully covered. Well, let me think about the fully covered. It depends. But I don't like feeling fully naked. So if I have on a super mini skirt or a super short pair of shorts, I want my top to be covered. That's why these outfit formulas are more about proportions over actual items. Big top, that's an oversized blazer, oversized button downs, an oversized top, anything oversized, right? Small bottom, mini skirts, short, tailored pencil pants. So the first outfit that comes to mind is an oversized blazer and mini skirt. I love an oversized blazer and mini skirt. You can dress this up, dress it down. I just styled an outfit in one of my recent videos with an oversized blazer, and I dressed it up with boots and I dressed it up with a pair of sneakers. You can't go wrong with this combination, okay? The next one, a oversized button down and shorts. Okay, proportions. Now you can go a lot of different ways with this. If you're just going for an everyday outfit, a denim pair of shorts with a loose fitting linen button down shirt. Good, right? You want to elevate it a little bit. Unbutton that shirt a little bit. Put on more of a trouser type short. Dad sandals or strappy heels. You've elevated it a little bit at this point. You want to go super classic, super timeless. Linen button down, linen pair of shorts, everything really baggy, but still structured. You don't want to look sloppy. Dad sandals or sneakers, little cute bag, sunglasses. So many options, you guys, so many options. We go back to the 2-piece sets, right? You can always find a 2-piece set with a button down and shorts. But remember, you want that top to be a little bit oversized because it just gives a little bit more of a chic look. It looks a little bit more elevated. You don't want your everyday like interview button down, right? You want a relaxed fabric, a linen, a cheesecloth, a chambray. You want a relaxed fabric that won't sit so close to your skin. It kind of flows with the wind. It can move with you. The last outfit that comes to mind is just an oversized top and boots. We're thinking a blazer dress, oversized graphic tee, a shirt dress. You can always layer over a shirt dress, add a cute little vest or an oversized sweater over a shirt dress with your knee-high boots. I wouldn't necessarily go over the knee. It's something about that over the knee that kind of makes it clubby for me. A button down and shorts is perfect for every day. You can also dress this up if you wanted to. You can pull your button down shirt off your shoulder, show a little bit of skin, a little bit of cleavage. My favorite way to dress up this type of outfit is wearing an oversized button down shirt, pulling it off the shoulders, and then doing a faux leather pair of shorts. Pairing that with a strappy pair of heels and an oversized clutch bag. It's a classic look. You can wear it for years and years and years. It'll never go out of style, ever. Okay, the baggy pants slim blouse. This is another go-to for the office. You can do this with a baggy boxy t-shirt and a pair of pencil pants. You can do it with an oversized button down and a pair of pencil pants. Do a half tuck. I styled that in one of my recent videos as well. Throw a sweater over your shoulders. You instantly look chic. A very relaxed linen top and doing it monochromatic with a very relaxed pair of white pencil pants and a chunky pair of sandals. These are perfect looks for the spring that can transition from the office to everyday wear. Y'all, there are endless outfits when it comes to these outfit formulas, which is why I love them. It makes it so easy to get dressed. Now, this last one is a go-to for me when I'm going to like an event or going out at night, whether it's girls' night, date night. This is my go-to. A basic plus a statement. All right, whether your whole outfit is basic and you have some kind of statement piece, or you're wearing statement pants, or you're wearing a pop of color, some kind of basic with a statement, I think is an easy way to throw in those fun pieces in your wardrobe. I like to get fun bags, fun shoes, pops of colors in pants and skirts. It's an easy way to pair things with basic items that you already have in your closet. You can wear multiple times and mix and match, but still have fun with your wardrobe. Two people I think that do this very well are Rihanna and Tracee Ellis Ross. I feel like Tracee Ellis Ross will throw on a basic outfit and then come with a fire bag. And it's like, wow. Like, you really did that. You ate that. Some ideas that come to mind are definitely statement pants. I love a good printed pants. Animal print, checkered, polka dot, any kind of zigzag with a bright color. Stripes. Now, I'm not too big on stripes because I got big thighs, baby. I got big thunder thighs over here. I don't need to bring that much attention to my thighs, but I will wear certain animal prints and certain prints in a looser silhouette. That way it kind of slims my leg down a little bit and I can still get that fun out of the item. Same thing with skirts. I will wear a animal print mini skirt in a minute, okay? A mini skirt, I don't mind. Give me a mini skirt in all of the prints, I'm gonna wear it, okay? Pop of color is another good one. You can throw pop of color into anything. You can have a super bright colored shirt with a pair of denim. You can sandwich that thing as well. Sandwiching an outfit means you do the same color top and shoe, and then you do a different color bottom. So you're sandwiching that pop of color in your outfit. You can do a pop of color with a bag, a bright pink bag, a bright purple bag. You can also do it with animal print. Graphic tees with bright colored pants or printed pants. That's one that I see all the time, and I do it myself sometimes. Get an oversized graphic tee with a crazy printed pant. It just looks really street style and really fun. Throw on a pair of chunky sneakers, a cute pair of sunnies, you're ready for the weekend. So think about implementing that into your accessories, whether it's a wide brim fedora or really fun trucker hats that come in crazy fun colors. Just think outside the box, get really creative, but always bring it down to a basic and a statement. And you don't need to throw all your statements on together. I've seen that before, and that works for some people if that's your aesthetic, but you don't have to throw all your statements on at the same time. Basic and a statement. All right, y'all, so those are my 3 favorite outfit formulas for the spring. Big top, small bottom. Small top, big bottom, basic, and a statement. Those are the top 3. I use one of these 3 outfit formulas every single day. Every time I'm getting dressed, that's what comes to mind naturally. It's like second nature. I hope that when you're putting your outfit formulas together, you think about what you wear often, what feels good to you often, and then make your outfit formula from that. Don't copy and paste anyone else's outfit formula. Consider your proportions, your body type, the things that you like, what kind of aesthetic you like, what your personal style is, and then create your outfit formula from that. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you got some good style tips and outfit formula tips from this video. Let me know what your outfit formula is down below. Is it one of the ones that I mentioned in the video, or is it, I love to hear how people put outfits together. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, girl, what you waiting on? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Join the fam over here. We just hit 1,000 subscribers. We are a growing family, and so join us if you enjoy fashion and lifestyle content. I upload weekly, and so you're getting fresh content every week. Like this video if you enjoy this type of content, so I know what type of content to keep putting out for you all, and so we can continue to grow and be pushed to more people on the algorithm. Share this video with your family and friends, especially if they love fashion and lifestyle content. And as always, stay beautiful. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, loves.